Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine, no? I am also very fine. So, in previous video, we discussed about the hard words, and I given the homework based on that hard words. Okay. So today we are going to discuss same lesson. I am growing up, and I am going to read the lesson, children. I am going to read that lesson. So today reading practice is only about the living things, based on the living things, and again I am going to read about the how living things grow. Okay, so these are the two topics. Today we will read the lesson based on these two topics, children. What are the topics? Living things and how living things grow. Okay, so once you open you have textbook, no? So all of you open the page number 1. And when I am reading, just put your finger in your book and you should follow me. Okay, page number 1. Starting point. Once you see starting point. So what is the starting point given here? Here 3 pictures are given, children. Okay, so tick the activities that you do on your own. So here packing the books, no? One child here packing the books. Next see tying shoes lace tying, no? Then eating breakfast. Okay, so these are the 3 pictures given here. So what is that? Tick the activities that you do on your own. So what are the activities here given now? Then you can do yourself, then you can tick there. Okay, so you are packing your bag, then you should put a tick mark there. Then if you tie your lace, then tick mark. If you are taking your breakfast without your parent help, then you can tick it. Okay, children. So tick that. Already I informed now. So what are the activities there? So you are doing yourself, then you can tick it. So that is about the starting point, children. Next we will discuss about the living things. So what are the living things? Plants, animals and human beings. Plants, animals and human beings are living things. All living things live and grow. So these are the 2 sentences. What is that? Plants, animals and human beings are living things. All living things live and grow. Next, how living things grow? Small plants grow into big plants. Small plants grow into big plants. All baby animals grow to become big animals. All baby animals grow to become big animals. We grow from a little boy to an adult. We grow from a little baby to an adult. Next, come to the page number 2, children. Okay, so page number 2. A small seed grows into a big plant. A small seed grows into a big plant. For example, see here small seed. When small seed is put in the soil, when the seed gets water, warmth of the sun, automatically the seed grows into baby plant. The seed grows into baby plant. Next, the baby plant grows into big plant. The baby plant grows into big plant. Next, listen, children. Chicks come out of eggs and grow into hens. Chicks come out of eggs and grow into hens. Here see egg. Next, egg hatch into chicks. The chicks are grows into hens. Next, listen. We are born as babies. We are born as babies. A recently born A recently born baby is called a newborn. A recently born baby is called a newborn. Newborns cannot sit up, walk or talk. Newborns cannot sit up, walk or talk. Babies grow up to toddlers. Toddlers are also small like babies and cannot take care of themselves. Their parents look after them and teach them to walk, eat and speak. Once again listen. Babies grow up to be toddlers. Toddlers are also small like babies and cannot take care of themselves. Their parents look after them and teach them to walk, eat and speak. Next. Toddlers grow up to be young children. Young children like us. Young children can do some activities on their own. Toddlers grow up to be young children like us. Young children can do some activities on their own. Next, young children first become teenagers. Young children first become teenagers and in some years they become adults. Adults can do their work independently. Okay? Young children first become teenagers and in some years they become adults. Adults can do their work independently. Okay, so these are the topics about living things and how living things grow. So these are the two topics. Now I given reading practice on the two topics. Okay children, so based on these two topics, I will give two questions to you. You should write neatly in your rough notebook. Okay, remember, in your rough notebook and write answers properly and send to your WhatsApp group. Okay? So what are the two questions? Listen children. You should write in your diary children. So what I am giving the home task now. So how you are writing in the classroom, same like that you maintain the diary in the home also. Write the date. What is today date? 8/9/20. So you should write the date and day and you write the EVS diary work. So what is the EVS diary work? Write the two questions. Write answers for the two questions. Okay. So what are the two questions you write? First one is write examples of living things. Living things. Write the examples of living things. That is the first question. Very easiest one, no? Next, second one. What is meant by newborn? Okay, so these are the new questions children. So I not given in the previous classes, no? So if you want these answers, so what you do? You should read the two topics what I read today. Okay. So write the answers. So once again I repeat the questions. Once you listen, write examples of living things and what is meant by newborn. Okay. Copy the answers first. Copy the answers with the legible handwriting. Write the answers and send to your WhatsApp group. Okay children, that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till that, goodbye children.